Hello. It's a fabulous Friday. And so today is kind of the fun day where you kind of get to wrap up your drafting of your fractured fairy tale for Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Okay? So let's go ahead and look at what we need to do today. If you ever need to do this, you just click on your activities and you go up to the fractured fairy tales and it's listed right there. Okay? So for Friday, we need to revise and edit before drafting the ending to our fairy tale, okay? So we need to get that last object in there, and the last object for mine is that she needs a bed. So remember that it is just a draft, and that next week we will continue to work on this, okay? So do not get worried, just have fun, okay? So today, I'm going to think about the bed. Okay, so when Pa is going to he's going to go into Jack's room and he's going to realize that the dog has been on Jack's bed. So he's going to say, that dog's been in here, or something like that. And then Ma McKee is going to go in her bedroom and say, oh, my laundry's all messed up. That dog's been on my bed. Okay. And then Abby is going to go into her room and she's going to say, that dog is sleeping in my bed and she has her head on my pillow. Because she really does that. It's crazy. She puts her head on our pillows. Anyway, so when she hears the uh-oh, because Abby's going to go, uh-oh. And when Winnie hears the word uh-oh, she gets really upset. So I'm going to end my story by saying, I'm going to say something like, what could I say? So Winnie ran outside. Oh, no, she's going to run. She's going to run to her own bed and she's going to curl up on her own bed like a good little dog should. And then I got to think about something else too. And they lived happily ever after. I'm not sure. I have to think about that some more. But anyway, so that's what you need to do today. You need to go back to your work and you need to edit. Or excuse me, make it better. Revise, and add that part, okay? Okay, so here I am, final stretch. I'm on my last paragraph here, and this is what I wrote. The McKees knew Winnie was in the house and probably on someone's bed, where she is not supposed to be. Pa McKee went into Jack's room and said, yup, that dog was in his bed. I should say in this bed. I can still feel the warm spot. Okay, and then Ma McKee's going to talk, so I'm going to skip down a line. Ma McKee went into her room where her laundry had been shuffled around a bit and said, yup, that dog for sure was in here. I'm going to skip a line because Abby's going to talk. Abby went into her room and yelled, uh-oh, that crazy dog is in my bed with her head on my pillow. When Winifred heard that final uh-oh, she woke up and realized she was in deep doggy trouble. She jumped off Winnie's bed. She jumped off Abby's bed, ran into the TV room, and curled up on her own bed, just like a good puppy should. I might be able to come up with a better ending later, but I'm just going to put for today. Oh, it won't let me type. Why wouldn't it let me type? You know what? It's not letting me do the end. You want to know why? Because we don't end stories with the end. We could say something, and they lived happily ever after. And I don't know why it won't let me do that. And maybe it's like my notes. It's not going to let me go anymore because my notes, I wrote too much. Maybe that's it. And, well, I don't know why it's not working, but it's not working. Maybe it knows that my story is done. So boys and girls, today you're going to write your very last thing that your sneaky character messed around with. Okay, you need to get some dialogue in there. Remember to put quotation marks around what the person said, their exact words, okay? And make sure to skip lines when you have a new character speaking, all right? And don't forget when you're done to hit the green check and then the draft check, because we are not done yet, okay? Excellent. Have a good Friday, have a good weekend, and happy writing.